Cybermen
So
and
many
Cybertruck.
Cybertrucks.
Ew. The Tesla dealership, disgusting. Oh, hey, oh, man. Dude, check out the rims on that. Y'all folks is a little slow on this thing. Man, look at the rims on that thing.
Rev it! Rev it!
I don't think he can hear you, man. I guess he did.
So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. Break it down.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Check. We used to lay up and then stay up, had sex and then
That's
blow
fine,
down.
man.
I shouldn't have played no games with you, just leveled up my brain. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak.
yeah,
That was strange. Guess there's nothing I could do. Man, it's true. X is changed. Yeah. Hey. Guess you changed for the better. Better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo, but I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. So
Check out this right here.
give me all of you in exchange.
Dude, it's got little pentagrams in there, man.
Give me all of you in
It's got little pentagrams. I don't know if it's showing up. There it is. It's showing up now. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know.
That tiny ass truck. Little K car. What? Yeah, what is it?
It's a Honda Axie.
Ah, alright.
Yeah.
Does it get good gas mileage?
So far, we've only filled it up once in about 2 months we've had it.
Oh, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice.
Thank you.
Hoes can't never say they got him. Know how bad you wanna tell him, don't try him. I don't wanna tell him, let's surprise him. I don't wanna get into it, why you stressing them? I've been driving back and forth from Louisville to Lexington.
Yeah, that one's at Weigel.
College,
Yeah.
make you wanna strip for them dollars.
Ooh, my mom's gonna be happy that seen that one.
Swear to God, I could do a
Corollas.
live
Hey,
for
can I
you.
put right by this one?
I was strolling through the campus, I had to stop for you. I was scrolling through the gram, girl, I had to follow you. Say what's up with you.
Alright, rev it, man, rev it. Nice.
Got my soul.
Yeah. Oh, whoa, dude, look, this one got the anime girl on the top. It is very interesting looking at little Subaru. I happen to notice there's a freaking Russian pony on the side of it. Oh, that is sick. Interesting. I had a pedal bike like this once before, but it's interesting to actually see one with a motor on it.
That's it's Diamondback River.
Oh,
They
really?
made them in 2006.
Huh. So they handmade or?
Yeah, it's aluminum frame. The company, they only, like I said, they only made them 1 year. They were losing money.
Oh, okay.
$900 for the bike, almost 20 years ago.
Dang.
So it didn't sell real well.
Eh,
But I picked it up cheap for $100. I put the engine on it, did all the disc brake conversions and everything on it.
looks like it's a lot of fun. You did a real nice job on it.
It's a blast. I mean, even building it, it's fun.
Right. Well, thank you for letting me know about it, sir. Let me get that graphic on the side right there. Did you put the graphic on there?
No,
Oh. So still looks real nice.
I mean, I want to paint the bike because a lot of chips, but I don't want to in a way. I'm just gonna leave it.
Yeah, it looks fine the way it is.
Honestly, it does.
Nice little pattern on the rims, on the tires as well.
Right?
Yeah. All right.
South Memphis. Wiggity witness, the nigga that's dropping the lyrics that's leaving a motherfucking shit list. Your lame ass bitches can't fuck with submissive, don't end up on my hit list. Don't make me click you weak ass tricks, don't test my mental sickness. Look up for mustard, scarecrow, tongue be twisted with the spitches. Riggedy, what's up, clickety, cluck with quiggity, watch me cheap it. South Parkway is keeping your slow niggas beating your notes, that shit's no secret. So beef it, some niggas.
Oh yeah. For all them niggas that been waiting on some real bump. Got something for you. Them hot low points from my flow gon' catch you. Slow is how you gon' feel. I becoming so real when I hold that steel. I bet you say, see they don't know how I study in the studio, singing and rapping, driving tracks on that asshole, and you get violent. Hanging around the hood, kicking that bobo, smoking them fat max, letting me a nigga know about some of this self shit. I came to drop the ball, nigga better move quick. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Oh, I can't wait to let it go. I knew my niggas knew that I was in the studio, and for the buster. Y'all niggas need to roll, cause I can't be round no weak ass suckers. Sucking up this Mac and Dad, I'm dropping on this track and making sure my shit be bumping. Ain't no talent that I'm lacking, yeah. And for them niggas that feel they wanna try and step the mic, I'll be the star of the nightmares that you dream at night. This is a gangster lullaby. Gangster, gangster, gangster. This is a gangster lullaby. Gangster,
Drive it.
gangster lullaby. This is a gangster lullaby. Gangster. Niggas be thinking they bumping each other's same shit about robbing or smoking.
I have lost my hearing.
Same, bro.
There's like a drone over there. Somebody's using a drone. Oh man, it's going so far. Ow, my ears, they hurt. Ouch.
It's me, Dirty D, coming with this hype shit that you wanna get with. So punk them seats back off, bitch. I'm dropping stop, I'm flavor to flavor plus a pound. Cause I'm sick of groups coming with this soul hope sound. Now I'ma do my thing and prove that you're lame. Show you can't blow by throwing salt in your game. My rhymes move like a gypsy, cause I'm getting paid to see. Bitches don't play with me, cause I'm a pimp from Tennessee. And to you niggas with them sing-along rap songs, something more slow songs, nigga, get the fuck on me. I'm not gonna raise my songs and try to cross over. Set me like I am
There it goes. That chamber though. This man, I didn't get it on film, but he was scraping, man. He was scraping in this thing. Look at that. The fuzzy dice.
Here I go again, coming with the second verse. So listen close and catch a dose of the dirty work. Critics try to diss me, cause I curse when I rap. I don't give a damn, so motherfuck that. I hear the
Hey, do it again, man. Yeah.
play of Dirty D, I'll make it tooth decay. But you like the flavor, so I kick it and you keep licking like I smoke.
Yeah, man, that guy just did some backfire. Yeah. I got. Sorry, right there.
Now let me break it on down, cause I see you don't understand me. Sometimes I'm silent, but I'm violent when I have to be. Take up for me and make my moves on my own. Say what I wanna say, cause this is my fucking song. A nigga that's low down, straight from the underground. That's how you got